I just got back from the retro store with a used copy of Yoshi's Island for the Super Nintendo. Let's see if it works. And nothing. Blank screen. Alright, let's fix that. First, grab a Torx screwdriver and remove the 2 Torx screws on the front of the cartridge. Once those are out, the top shell just lifts right off. And already, you can see there's some buildup inside the shell. Not surprising for a cart this old. Here's the board. Look at those connectors. They're pretty dirty. Over time, cartridge connectors collect all kinds of gunk. Dust, skin oils, humidity residue, oxidation, even mold or corrosion if the cart was stored somewhere damp. All of that builds up on the gold contacts and kills the connection. To clean them, start with a standard pencil eraser. Just rub it across the connectors. You'll see the dirt lift right off. Look at all that. Wild. You can also use one of these block erasers, which gives you a little more surface area to work with. Just make sure it's a plain eraser. Avoid anything with an abrasive grit because that can scratch and damage the contacts. Make sure to clean the other side as well. And yeah, there are actual larvae in here, so that's a thing. Moving on. Now grab some 91% isopropyl alcohol and put a little on a cotton swab. Use that to wipe down the inside of the shell. Then go over the board and connectors again. The alcohol cuts through any remaining residue and evaporates clean. Give everything a final wipe with a microfiber cloth, then reassemble. Shell back on, screws in, make sure it's snug. Alright, let's try it again. Nice.